Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can quickly attach or share a contact detail in text messages on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, open up the text messages app. Next, you can compose a new text message, or you can open up an existing text conversation. Now in here, tap on the attach button, then tap on contacts. From the list of contacts, select the contact that you would like to share. So here I'm going to share this contact right here. So I touch and hold onto that. Then in here you can choose to share as a file or a text. The file is like a VCF file where you can tap on it. It has all the contact information in it. So tap on file, then tap on send. And here you can see this is the file. If I tap on it, it will have all the information within that one particular file. And from there you can tap on add. That will allow you to add that particular contact to your contacts book. And that's it. So I'm just going to go back now. Now another way to add your another way how you can attach a contact details to the text message is to go and open up the contacts app. In here you can open up contacts from the phone application, or you can open up contacts from your app screen. So in here I can open up contacts, and from the contacts app simply open up a contacts that you want to share, then tap on share. And then you can choose a vCard file, VCF, or a text file. This time we're going to choose a text file. And from the pop-up, tap on messages. In here, select a conversation that you want to send to, or you can start a new message. Now I'm going to open up an existing conversation. And then here you can see it includes the name, the mobile, and that is the text file. So it basically includes the text in the text message instead of the actual contact file. And that's it. So those are the two different ways how you can share a contact details on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. Finally, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.